Once you get used to the adrenaline of speed, you can't settle for anything less.
One thing about speed is the faster you go, the easier it is to control the bike.
The idea of going through a turn, the bike wants to flip up from the G-force. You physically have to pull the bike into the turn.
Just take your knee and just dig it into the pavement, and you'll ride on that third wheel.
Sometimes you can psych somebody out by, you know, sticking a wheel in the inside of them. Just letting them know that you're there.
When everything's real right, you don't see anything but what's ahead of you. You're always thinking a couple of turns from the turn that you're in.
When you have an excellent crew that's trained and dealt with you for so long, they know exactly how to quiz you when you come in.
On the right side or left side?
When you get to the bottom of the problems, the bike starts working good, you get real comfortable, and you can go fast. When you make it work and you win a race, it is just the greatest feeling you'll ever get.